Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and this is the Lab Smart Wedge Universal Pinning Kit. Now, as you can see, it comes in a really nice, heavy-duty metal case. Now, this is part of the Wedge series of pinning kits, so it does have the nice, convenient drawer right here on the side that you can put extra parts and pieces in. And the reason they call it Smart is for two reasons. One is it's 40% smaller than your standard universal pinning kit. And two, they're only going to give you the sizes that you need to pin the locks on the chart. I'll show you right now. So let me slide this down, and you'll be able to see on this chart here, it's going to list all the popular locks that you're going to encounter. The Kwiksets, the Schlags, the Weisers, the Sargents, the Arrows, Yale, Corbin, Russwin, and Corbin Russwin. All right, and as you can see here, it's going to give you the bottom pin number, it's going to give you the master pin number, and then also it's going to give you the top pins. Let me slide it down here and I'll show you these. Now, it does have 92 different sizes of pins here. All right, and you can see they're all color coded, and it does even include a couple spool pins. It does include the Schlage T-Series pin and spring for the Schlage F-Series locks. And it does have a nice convenient little tool compartment right here as well. So although this kit is small, it has maximum storage for the size it is here. I also want to point out that on these bottom pin sizes here, these pockets are really deep. I know in the video it's kind of hard to see it, but I mean, I would say these are 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches deep. So you could really put a lot of pins in here if you wanted to. So if you're looking for a kit that's compact, that doesn't have waste, it doesn't have pins in here that you're not going to need, right? This is kind of like if you were to take your brand specific kit for Kwikset and Schlage and Weiser and Yale, and you were just to combine it into one and use universal pins. That's what this kit is right here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.